Major Kalshi classes, online courses for all defense exams, recorded lecture, e-notes, daily live classes, online test. अब online पढ़ेगा तभी तो फौजी बनेगा इंडिया. Download the MKC Learning app and fulfill your dreams.
Okay, gentlemen, today your GD discussion topic is to transform India into a developed country. What should be done? The first subtopic is to work on gender equality and crime against women. The second is education system to be improved, and the last but not the least is control over the population. So let's begin with just number 02.
Gentlemen, I think population is the major hindrance to our development. We have seen those countries which have less population or major population but use their population as a workforce has done a great job in their economy. Like China, having a major population but have done a major thing in exporting. Also, those countries having least amount of or low amount of population but also has done a major thing in economy. Talking about how, because they have done in exporting. We are a country which imports more, but the countries who have major economies are exporting. So this is the concern. Thank you.
Good morning, gentlemen. I think, according to me, education is play a bigger role to develop a country. As we have seen, as the literacy rate of India increasing, India have become to more closer to become a developed country. We have seen around the world, the more developed country has more literacy rate. We have the example of America, we have the example of Japan. So according to my perspective, education play a bigger role than any other factors.
Then gentlemen, for India to develop, I think population control is the need of the hour. As over the years, the population gain has led to the reduction and exploitation of resources. So today I will support the topic for the population control.
Gentlemen, I would like to speak on the education. Education plays an important role in the development of any country. An illiterate person can't contribute to the development of a country in one way or the other. So, government should provide free and compulsory education to all. Thank you.
Gentlemen, nowadays India is facing a biggest problem in our obstacle to tackle the population. And population plays a major role in the development of a country and use it to a progressive way and become a developed country.
Gentlemen, according to me, if you see all the developed nations, they all have a good education system and literacy rates. And when we talk about India, we are using and we are following a old system of education. So I think there is a great need of change of education policy to make India in a developed nation. Thank you.
Gentlemen, I do believe that to make India into a developed nation, we must work upon providing equality to the women as men have, because a lot of crime against women are happening in our nation, and due to this crime, the women are being seen as a liability rather than an asset. And I do believe that if we provide a better security and better workplace for women, our country will develop more faster and our economy will be more prosperous. Thank you.
In my opinion, education system should be developed of India, because as we know the literacy rate of the India is low than other country. I think it should be developed mostly, as we know that the education system is provided to all of the students, but the problem is that the education is not reaching to the student directly, because as we see in the villages there is many students and many girls who is not getting the education properly. So I think government should adopt more new things like a new education policy that has government recently taken. So such type of amendment should keep doing by the government. Thank you, gentlemen.
Gentlemen, I think the major step to be taken to develop the country, India, is to control the population, because India is a huge population and the resources we have is limited. But population is increasing day by day, and it leads to very large problems like illiteracy and corruption and unemployment. This hinders the development of our country most. So we have to control our population so that we make India a developed country.
Gentlemen, in my point of view, women and men should have given equal rights so that our India should be a developed country. And as we know that women are not being given equal rights in our society, and if we give women equal rights, then there should be a more chance to be a developed country for India. And we all know that literacy rate of women is lesser than men, so we have more given we have more emphasizing to give education to women. Thank you.
Well, gentlemen, India's biggest problem is in this time illiteracy and employment and crime. By education, we can decrease this problem because education increase the employment and
Hello gentlemen, I think in my point of view that I think that population is the most hindrance in a developed nation. So first of all, if I want to change India into a developed nation, first of all we have to control over the population, and we have to provide more opportunity to the youth and establish the more industries. Thank you.
Hello gentlemen, according to my point of view, population is the main hindrance in the development of our country because due to the increase in population, we cannot implement the policy of government and we cannot educate our population. So I am favor with to control the population. Thank
Okay,
you.
group, start the GD.
Okay.
In factor of HDI, which means Human Development Index, and education is the biggest role play because population and women.
Yes, yes.
Justice everywhere. So if we don't provide justice and curb the crime rates against women, then our nation can become a better workplace. And to do this, we must try to curb the various rapes.
As illiterate person cannot contribute to the development of any country in one way or the other.
So, okay group, I am going to divide this group in two parts. The first is from just number 02 to 80 and the second group is 83 from 96. So start group A.
See gentlemen, I think that population is major hindrance. Why? Because see, China is a major population, but it has worked upon controlling its population. We have seen that it has adopted a thing that one-child policy. But yes, there is a fact that it will be a more old country because it will have old people. But yes, China.
Beside population,
how we use our population. We can use our population as a burden, or we can use population as a resource.
Our population not as a burden because we want to improve it by controlling it. We are not talking about killing the people. We are talking
I'm not talking about killing. I understand. Because of their educated people and educated population.
And in China, there is no
By education, we can increase the employment and other sectors. So we can control the population by literacy and
Yes, it is the matter that literacy should be among the people, because if the literacy is not among the people, then definitely they will increase the population.
Our government is also reduced, So we have to reduce our population, because if the population of our country is not reduced, then we cannot increase.
Yeah, we can increase our population, but how they will
decrease, then
employment to get employment they need to be educated, and
If
for
the
the
population of our country is
we have to
better education, and if we
as
get more better education, then we implement
women are not being given equal rights, we have to give equal rights.
Major Kalshi classes, online courses for all defense exams, recorded lecture, e-notes, daily live classes, online test. अब online पढ़ेगा तभी तो फौजी बनेगा इंडिया. Download the MKC Learning app and fulfill your dreams.